Welcome back. This video is your step-by-step guide on how to use Bybit. I'm going to be showing you how to sign up, how to deposit money from your local bank account into Bybit, convert that into cryptocurrencies, how to trade on a spot account, and also how to trade on the derivatives market. Now, if you're new to derivatives market, you can actually check out our course right here, which is absolutely free right here on our YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to trade and make money trading the futures market, you probably want to subscribe, turn on all push notifications so that you're alerted every time we publish a new video right here on YouTube. So like I said, this video is your step-by-step guide with regards to how to use Bybit. Bybit is my preferred and my favorite exchange that I'm currently using to trade the futures market. And also, if you don't have a Bybit account already, find the link in the description of this video. Let's not talk too much. Let's jump right into Bybit. I'll show you exactly how it works. Let's get started. All right, so to get started, click the link in the description of this video and go ahead and create your own Bybit account. Use your email and password. Of course, this right here is our referral code if you want to do that. So after you're done signing up, you'll then have this account right here. This is a completely new account, and if you hover over on assets, you can actually see that you've got no money on this account. And of course, to get started, you need to deposit funds on Bybit. Now let's go through the various ways that you can use to deposit funds on Bybit. Depending on where you're situated around the world, you can actually deposit funds using your national based currencies, meaning fiat currencies. Obviously, you have to look on this list and actually see if your country or your currency is supported. You also have a debit card option, but this is going to be way expensive. Unless this was the only option that you had, then you can go ahead and use that. Your next option is going to be peer-to-peer trading. This is also expensive, but if you've got no alternative, you may go ahead and deposit via peer-to-peer trading. But what I want to introduce to you is depositing via cryptocurrencies using a local exchange, meaning you can buy or deposit your national based currencies on your local exchange, then buy maybe Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe XRP, then transfer those funds over to Bybit. That's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Obviously, there are so many local exchanges that you can use. In this example, I'm using Luno. You can find the link in the description of this video. To get started, you have to link your bank account or add it as a beneficiary. The most important thing here is to use this reference here whenever you're making the transaction. Once you're actually done about your deposit, which may take up to 2 days, but obviously there are no charges with regards to this kind of deposit, which is very good. Unless you're really in a hurry, then you can use those other method of deposit. Now, once your funds have reflected on your wallet, you head over to exchange. In this case, I want to buy USDC. Now, obviously, when you do the transaction with regards to USDC, it's going to be a little bit more expensive because it's running on the ERC20. Click on your trading pair and select USDC. If you have no idea what are trading pairs, make sure that you watch the video in the description of this video, or you can find it right here. And also, this video is not about Luno or how to use Luno or any other exchange other than Bybit. So if you're looking for a local exchange, just Google a local exchange in your country. But if you want a step-by-step guide with regards to how to use Luno, find that link in the description of this video, or check out these cards right here. So once you actually done your deposit, obviously you select your trading pair, then you can go ahead and purchase your USDC. Now, once you actually done purchasing it, you have to go ahead and withdraw your funds. Obviously, you're withdrawing them to Bybit. When it comes to Bybit, you have to select your wallet address and make sure that you're selecting the ERC20 if you're using Luno, because that is the only network that is actually supported there. If you're using any other exchange, make sure that you're using the very same network on your withdrawal and the very same network on the receiving wallet, so that you don't lose your funds. Then go ahead and send your funds over. Obviously, you can see this is expensive, costing about $4. So that's why I'm saying if you buy XRP, maybe that's maybe a cheaper alternative, but make sure that you're using your tag whenever you actually withdrawing your XRP. Or maybe you can use Bitcoin, for example, or any other cryptocurrencies. Now that you actually deposited your funds over to Bybit, it's time to actually start trading. But remember, we actually deposited USDC. Maybe you may be wanting to, trade on USDT perpetual futures contract. So what you'll have to do is to go to the sports account and actually change your USDT, or rather change your USDC to USDT, and then go ahead and transact that. That is going to be absolutely free because there are no trading fees when you're trading on the sports account. Once you're done with that, then you can go ahead and start trading on the derivatives market. All right, so now that we have an idea of how to deposit funds on Bybit, let's have a look at alternative ways that we can make money on Bybit by either trading or let someone trade for us within this platform. We will also have a look at various ways of earning passive income on Bybit, but more on that later in this video. If you're looking for alternative ways of depositing funds on Bybit, I actually covered a video right here that takes you step by step with regards to how to deposit funds from multiple exchanges. I'll obviously leave that link in the description of this video as well. So let's dive into Bybit and actually see the rest of the features that are available at our disposal. All right, so let's go over the rest of the exchange and see how everything works. You can see here you get these pop-ups here that are sort of like the tutorials that shows you what to do. Basically here, this is where you select your trading pair, and if you click on next, and this is where you can set your limit orders, and it will keep showing you your order book and all that stuff. And this is where your orders will sit once you actually have an ongoing trade. And here you can see that we are on a derivatives market, and you can actually see that our balance is actually 0. So if you want to bring your funds over to the derivatives markets, maybe before we do that, let's go back to the spot market. So I'm going to click on trade and click on spot. Now you'll be able to see that on the spot market we do see our balance here, where else on the derivatives market we cannot see our balance. So if you wanted to trade here, you can come and select your currency pair. So basically you just come here and search Solana. The one that we're looking for is this one, Solana USDT. And you can see right now it's sort of like dropping because we had a major event. There were some sort of like negative news here happening on the market, and that's why we're having this drop. So it wouldn't be a good thing maybe to buy right now, but if you wanted to take advantage of this, maybe you can short the market as it's coming down, as I've been showing you guys on the derivatives market. Now let's move these funds and actually move over to the derivatives market. So I'm gonna hover over here and click on USDT perpetual futures contract. You'll recall that we moved our funds from USDC to USDT, so I'm gonna click on that. The next step is to transfer the funds, so I'm gonna click on transfer, and I'll actually move the rest of the funds that we have on our spot account to the derivatives account. So I'm going to click on all and then click confirm. You'll be able to see that the funds now will show here as a positive balance, meaning we can start immediately trading on the derivatives market. So here I can perhaps come in and change my leverage size to, let's say, 5x, and then I'll go ahead and confirm that. Then I can go and look for a currency pair. Let's look for Solana. So if you wanted to take advantage of the price as it's coming down here, we can immediately go short right here. So we can short either at the market price or at the limit price. So for example, if I want to short at the market price, I'm just going to click on market and maybe short with the rest of the funds and immediately sell short over here. However, if you want to select the limit price, you come here and then you can specify the price where you actually want to enter your short position. For example, I can say when the price is trading at 28300, or let's say 320, I'll then want to sell short. Confirm that, and you can see that when the price come and hit these dotted lines here, that's when my sell short will be activated. And you can see now our trade is active, and you can see here our profit and losses. This is where it's going to be displayed over here. And here you can see that our position is up by 3%. And if you want to take profit, obviously you can come here and close the trade from here, or just add take profit. For example, we can say that when the price reaches $27, for example here, if the price reaches $27.890, we want to take profit, and at that time profit is going to be $15. We can go ahead and confirm that, and basically that means that when the price reaches this level here, that's when we're going to take profit. And you can also add a stop loss, that when the price reaches a specific point, let's say if we up or down by 5%, we want to initiate a stop loss. If I go ahead and confirm that, you can see when the price reaches this point here, that's when I'm going to initiate a stop loss. But I'm going to go ahead and just remove that and confirm. So the next thing we can do is to hover over on trade and actually look at some various ways that you can actually earn money here on Bybit, and that is going to be the bot trading. I have made video on bot trading before with regards to how to set up your bot trading here on Bybit, and that video will be linked in the description of this video. All right, so that is how you use Bybit, from depositing to placing your first trade, from spot market to derivatives market. Now, if you want to learn how to trade the futures market, you probably want to go ahead and check this entire playlist right here, because this is a full in-depth course that goes step by step with regards to teaching you how to trade the derivatives market. Obviously, all the information is free. The only thing we really appreciate from you is smashing the like button, and also subscribe, turn on all post notifications so that you are alerted every time we publish a new video right here on YouTube. So I'll see you on the next one. Go ahead and watch that course if you haven't done so already.